Have the vacation of a lifetime at this beautiful and newly constructed beach house. Nestled on 500 feet of Chesapeake waterfront on an expansive 6-acre lot, this home is the perfect place for your family to get away from it all. Unlike most vacation homes, this family-owned property is almost new and doesn't have the wear and tear you find in similar homes. The downstairs features antique walnut floors, extensive woodworking, as well as a huge open entertainment area. Each of the 5 bedrooms has its own distinct decor. The expansive windows let the beautiful Eastern Shore scenery through. Spectacular wraparound porches surround the home and allow plenty of room to entertain and relax. And just off the porch is a glorious heated pool. Following a path from the home is your own private beach and dock, where you can fish, go crabbing or boating, or simply enjoy the mile-wide water view. Reservations are available year-round, so call now and book the vacation of your family's dreams.